Let me quickly show you what is the maximum camera zoom available on the Xiaomi 15T. So if we open the camera, then in the photo mode we can actually zoom all the way in to 60x, which is a pretty huge zoom. Unfortunately, there is no ultra zoom available on this Xiaomi 15T. It is available on the 15T Pro, not in this case. And let's also go to the video mode in order to see how it looks like over there. So first we're going to start with 4K 60 frames per second, which is the highest resolution and FPS accessible. And in this case, it seems that we cannot really change the zoom manually. We can only use one of these three options. So now while we have 30 frames per second, then we can actually zoom in and we can zoom up to 15x. And if I switch to 1080p, 30 frames per second, we have 15x. If we increase it to 60 frames per second, we still have 60x, the 15x value. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.